tofu. Let's play a game. Can you guess the object from its shadow? Wow, what's that shadow? It's very close to you. Yes, it's a robot. So cool, right? Let's play with it. Look, two kids are learning about a robot. That's so interesting. Let's keep going. Guess the object. Ooh, did you get it right? It's a TV. That was a tough one. Don't forget to watch the news on TV. You can watch fun shows on TV too. Look at this rectangle. Can you tell what it is? It's a phone. You use one every single day, don't you? The kids are watching cartoons together on a phone. Rest your eyes, not too much screen time. Do you know what this shadow is? That's a laptop. Do you use one to study? A mom and a child are learning this lesson together on a laptop. Have you ever learned online before? What a funny shape! Can you figure it out? They're headphones. And look, Tofu is wearing one too. How cute! This little friend is wearing headphones and singing happily. Use headphones to hear clearly without bothering others. Another weird shape. Can you guess it fast? It's a smartwatch. It looks nice and really useful. You can do so many things with a smartwatch, like checking the time, texting, and calling. So modern. Oh, what could this be? Say cheese. It's a camera. It's taking a photo of you right now. You can use a camera to take pictures of your memories, your family, and your summer trips. Whoa, what is that? If you guess it right, you're super smart. Wow, it's a drone. There was a big drone show in Vietnam this May. A drone is a flying robot. It can take pictures and record videos from far away. Good job, little explorer. You did great guessing all the shadows today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can learn more fun English together. See you soon.